guys, it's Marvy. Welcome back to Marvelous Style. I'm here today to share a video of something that I picked up probably about a month ago. And hopefully with the weather changing, I'm going to be using it very, very soon. For all of you guys, I know it has been a minute since I have been here on this screen in front of you guys, and I'm trying to get back into the groove of things. I took some time off at the first part of the year just to enjoy the family and my mornings with them. It is quite a coordination for me to be able to have enough time to film my outfits in the morning and then get all that coordinated before I have to get out of here. So I just have to reallocate my time again. I've just been spending a lot of time with the family in the morning, talking and hanging out with them, and it just kind of bumped me being able to share my outfits with all of you. But hopefully I'm getting back to that very, very soon. But I'm here to share something that I picked up about a month ago. I was re-inspired to pick up this piece based off of a couple of YouTubers here. First one was Windfire69 here on YouTube. She shared a piece that she has from the Louis Vuitton denim collection. It was a piece that she has, and I can't remember the exact name of her bag. I'm wanting to say it's the baggy, but then again, I'm not sure. So let's not hold me to that. But I remember the Louis Vuitton denim collection when it came out, and I really wanted a piece back then, but it never happened. And so then when I saw her share her video on that piece, I was re-inspired to kind of search it out. And then my friend, Purse Diva here on YouTube, she picked up the exact bag that I had wanted. So that just solidified in my mind that I actually needed to have this bag. So I have been searching high and low, different Facebook groups, these resale sites. If you can hear stuff in the background, my family's in there doing stuff, so I apologize. But I have been searching around. Then one day I went on The Real, and I saw that they were selling them there, but they didn't have one at that particular day. And I just was checking back, you know, several times, and one day it was there. So I jumped on it, purchased it right away, and I have it here to share with all of you. Okay, this bag, like I said, is from The Real, and you can see this is the old Louis Vuitton packaging here, the brown box with the brown lettering there on the front. And I will open it up to share with you guys what I picked up. And this is my first time purchasing from The Real. And I'll just share with you guys some of the things that they put off into the box. Of course, you get your receipt where it says, you know, The Real and thank you on the front. And it has your invoice on the inside. And it comes with the authentication card there. I don't know if you'll be able to pick that up from The Real because they authenticate their pieces before they send them out. And then it actually had the kind of SKU number that comes from Louis Vuitton. It's called the Pleaty pouch, and I just dropped that. And then it also came with another little booklet that kind of talks about the fabric that this bag is in. Go ahead and share with you guys what I picked up. Just kind of straightening out the little strap here. And this is what I got. I got the Louis Vuitton denim pleaty. And guys, look at this beauty. And this bag, I want to say, It was, let me see if I can find the date code in here. The date code on this bag means that this bag was produced in the 6th week of 2006. And for a bag that is that old, I think it is in exceptional condition. The denim on this bag is fairly, you know, still in a medium wash there. It doesn't show any real visible signs of wear, no dirt. The strap there is still in really, really good condition. Not much patina on this strap at all. And it has this kind of clasp on the bag. I think, is this considered a lobster claw clasp? Is that what that's considered? But where you can kind of unhook it from this side, pull it to this side, and use the bag as a wristlet. You can, which is what I'm going to plan to do with this bag, is I plan on getting a spare strap to make this bag a crossbody. That is my intention. I have continued to search for crossbody straps, or straps long enough to make it a crossbody. I really, really want it to be a Louis Vuitton strap, but I'm not finding a lot of the Vachetta straps that are in good condition, or that they're not trying to charge too much for what the item is. I've seen some that are on eBay. Of course, they're not Louis Vuitton straps, and they will come as long as I want them to come, because you can customize it. So I'm going to keep searching around to see if I can luck up on a Louis Vuitton one. But if I can't, I'll just have to get over myself and go ahead and order one from eBay and it not be a Louis Vuitton strap. But this bag has this closure in the front. It has a little bit of a Vachetta tab right there on the front. Has Louis Vuitton embossed there on the metal, and it's still in very good condition. Open it up to the inside. This is that Alcantara lining that's in the bag. And if you guys can see, this bag is in actually pristine condition. It is no stains, no marks or anything like that in this bag. It has one pocket, slip pocket here at the back of the bag, and it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in the USA. And when I get a longer strap, I plan to just take this apart. I'm not gonna take this off. I'm just going to place it at the bottom of the bag. And when I get the actual strap, I'll come back and kind of show you guys how I plan on doing it. But just very, very loosely, I'm going to show you what I'm planning on doing to it. You can take the strap and just kind of run it along the bottom of the bag, and it stays there. And you have plenty of space to put your wallet, your sunglass case. I've put some things in. I'll come back and do a what's in my bag in this thing once I get ready to use it. But this video, I'm essentially just sharing with all of you what I picked up. And it was something that I've wanted for many, many years and didn't get it. And I had the opportunity to pick it up. So I did, and it's here in my possession. And I think it's going to be the perfect spring summer bag for me. If we can ever get spring here, I know eventually one day it will come, and I'll use it all summer, and it'll be a perfect little small bag. I have started to gravitate a lot towards smaller bags, and rarely do I have a larger bag anymore. So I like the hands-free option of wearing my bags crossbody. So I thought this one would be perfect. And like I said, I wanted it since this collection was a current collection. So I'm so, so happy to finally have it. Yay for me. And ordering from The RealReal was actually a really pleasant experience. I ordered from them, I want to say it was maybe like a Monday. Within a couple of days, it was in my possession. But I have not worn it yet because the weather is not right and I don't have the long strap. I can just use that shorter shoulder strap, but I don't typically carry bags right under my armpit, so I probably won't do that. Like you guys saw, it came with the original box that was with it. There's some SKU number on the back. I don't know if that is from Louis Vuitton or if The RealReal. It also came with a Louis Vuitton dust bag as well. So, and this care booklet that came with it actually is, I don't know if you guys will be able to pick that up or not. This is for a Louis Vuitton monogram denim care booklet, and it just talks, you know, in different languages, but it talks about the care of these particular denim bags. So I thought this was a lot of the original information that was with a bag that's this old. Is a great thing to have, and considering the price that I paid for this bag, which was under $400, I thought it was awesome, and I think it's going to go perfect with my casual looks over the summer. So I'm very, very excited to have it. So I will, like I said, I'll come back and do a what's in my bag and show you guys some of the things that will be able to fit inside of there that I plan on carrying. So hopefully you guys will look forward to doing that. And then I actually have another video of some newer things that I picked up this past weekend that I am going to film. I don't know if I'll have time to do it tonight or tomorrow, but I'm going to film that soon too, so I can start wearing those items. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and hopefully you guys liked it. Give me a thumbs up if you do. If you'd like to see some more items from me, this is not typically what this channel is all about. I don't do a lot of luxury unboxings of Louis Vuitton. I just happened to have picked this one up a month ago, and then I went on a girls trip. We did some shopping in Chicago, and I picked up a couple of items from Louis Vuitton. But I like to do style videos on this channel. I'm going to definitely get back to doing that, get back to my roots. But these are things that I like as well. So in all of having a well-rounded channel, I'm sharing everything that I'm into. So hopefully you guys like it. Well, subscribe to this channel, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.